Shopping used to be exciting, but now it feels repetitive. Same store, same routine, same experience. What if shopping wasn't just about buying, but about feeling? A retail concept where music, mood, and lifestyle come together. Okay na. Pwede siya.
Grabe. Huwag na ako, parang wala na akong gana.
That's serious. Kapag ayaw mo nang maglaro, may problema na.
Same.
I feel like repetitive na ako all the time.
So repetitively.
Yes, kahit shopping ngayon parang boring.
Exactly. It's all the same. Pasok, bili, bayad, alis.
Wait. What if shopping wasn't like that?
What do you mean?
Well, like instead of shopping by product, what if you shop based on what you're feeling?
So, kung saan ako, may subsection. Actually, that makes sense. Music is already a text of mood.
So, you're saying combine music plus shopping?
Yes. Imagine a store where every section has a different mood. Vibe.
So, music, low-key, tapos may candle journals.
So, parang safe space?
Yeah, you just relax and vibe.
Hindi ba? Okay, but mine is Hype Zone. Loud music, streetwear, and bold colors.
May character energy.
Exactly.
Comfort zone, movies, flashes, blankets. This is where all activities. Focus zone, you set up headphones, study materials. Walang pupunta dyan, and I am proud.
Off lighting, cute items, mirrors, and tote bags. Content is life.
Tapos may QR code, scan mo, may playlist soon doon.
So, the music must survive.
That's actually a strong retail strategy. So, hindi mo lang bibilin, mararamdaman mo ka?
Wait, this is actually a good idea.
Yes, because it solves the problem. Shopping becomes experience.
Music, plus emotion, plus product.
And may comfort zone ako.
Modify isn't just a store.
It's a whole experience.
Music connect with emotion.
It becomes personal. And finally, hindi na boring yung mall.
Modify! Feel the music, feel the mood.
In today's generation, especially for the Gen Z, shopping is no longer just about buying things. It's about experience. It's about self-expression. It's about finding a place where you belong. And that's what Moodify offers. A space where every emotion has a place, where the music sets the mood, and where every visit feels different. It's a space where you can be yourself. Moodify isn't just a store. A place where music connects with your emotions and where retail becomes more meaningful and engaging. At kung saan, hindi ka lang bibili, mag-e-enjoy ka pa.
Ash flakes down from autumn fires, cold as the cruel hands of death it conspires, smothers.
Moodify. Feel the music, feel the mood.